Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. A lot of updates, a lot of projects, collaboration, and so forth. So there's going to be a lot of things I have to cover and talk to you guys about what's coming up. The Nurgle ones I post, first of all, Nurgle ones I posted, I'm actually going to redo this one. People like it. I seem not to like it. I'm going to keep it original. Flesh red and the pink with the intestine and stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna. I'll think about some more. Every time I look at it, I'm like, should I change it or not? But a lot of people like it. With the green transition and stuff. You guys can do that too if you guys have an airbrush. That's the easier way, or you have to basically make your paint to wash into multiple layers of it and mixing the paints with the other lighter shades of paints for it as well. And also subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. It does help out the channel a lot. If you're getting new subscriber, I thank you from the bottom of my heart that you guys are subscribing, watching it. I know the majority of people are watching the shorts, and I don't mind as well. This channel is mostly for socialization and making friends and seeing what other people like do for models and art and stuff like that. Uh, so yeah, this is hopefully will pay off the hobby because games workshops are very expensive. 3D printing and Patreons are very expensive for that as well. You also go check out the Patreon and Discord. Discord is where you can post a lot of your stuff. I like to see, and also I'd like to make a video for that as well of your guys' art and your hobbies as well. And Etsy is gone for now. It's been suspended due to IP issue with Crunchyroll and VIP animation. So that kind of helped pay for some of the resin, but it's fine if it's gone. It's not really going to hurt me as much, but I got to pay the remainder of the giant printer that I paid for $1,000 for that as well. So, following projects we have is Moid. I'm gonna put his link down below, Patreon. I'm doing a collab with him. I'm going to be painting his older March stuff for the Voltan and the newer Voltan as well, and probably some other ones that I see. So I am going to make a Voltan army. It'll be proxy army at first, and I'll buy some GW ones once I have the money because they're ridiculously expensive for a very small number of models for that as well. And yeah, check him out. He's a pretty cool dude, and we'd like to support him as much as possible. He's starting out as a 3D modeling, and his models are very good as well. I think more people, more suggestion what he should make and stuff like that will give him the like have a path where he should make and so forth as well. Right now is Voltan, and one of the trucks for that as well. And an upcoming project that we have here is the Tyranids. Which Tyranids we're working on? My friend's Tyranid I literally wiped my ass on in the game multiple times. So we have these are all magnetized. I'm thinking about going to do mine magnetized as well. So we have all these that I'm going to paint in batches. So like all the Turner guards and stuff like that. There's a lot. And I'll be using speed paint. So we have, I don't know if this is a 2.0 or a regular speed paint for this. All right, I think this is the regular one because yeah, this is actually a regular one. Actually, it's not a 2.0 one that I see the models that are made. So I have three contrast paints for these. I'm going to be the chop shop method, and I am going to be doing that, and I'm going to do the contrast paint for that as well. And we have bigger ones. These are all 3D printed, just letting you know. So we'll be doing a lot of these. Tear nets are going to be next because I'm sick of seeing stuff that's not painted. So all my blood angels are painted, but I'm gonna have more blood angels pretty soon. So this is the next thing that I'll be doing, and it should take me at least 2 to 3 weeks to finish it all. For it, and with Moid miniatures as well. That I got a 3D print. Then I'm gonna 3D print some stuff for my Blood Angels and some Chaos faction as well. Try to get as much done, much content, and try to improve my skills as a hobbyist and a painter. Only way you can improve yourself is experimenting. That's why I got the contrast paint, and also practice. If you don't like it, redo it. That's why I'm thinking about redoing Nurgle as well. And also, I have stuff to actually live stream on the weekends, Friday and Saturday. Sometimes I do Sundays. Uh, the more people that shows on the live stream, the longer I will be on it. The less people that's going to be a live stream, I'm not going to be on it as long. I just want to, watch Netflix and or listen to music and start working on the stuff that I have right here as well. So that is pretty much what's going to happen. It's probably going to be Tyranid. April and May will be probably Tyranid videos and Moid videos and some D&D painting videos as well. If I do like the contrast paint, I might get the Repeater 2.0 contrast or the Vallejo Express contrast paint they just released as well. So we'll see how this goes because I know it's a quicker way to paint things. Also, is a 2 hour wait for it to fully cure until you can put another layer on other colored layers for it as well. So that's the downside of contrast paint. It's not really speed paint, but it does a lot of the work for you. It's just having it cured and drying is a different story. But we did it. We got it. And just mosey on through and get as much stuff done as possible. Thank you guys for the comments as well. Leaving comments here gives me the motivation to do more of these type of videos and also get as my goal is to have all the factions. 50,000 points. No, 5,000 points for each factions. And the Space Marine has multiple faction, Orc has, and Necron has some other faction as well that I want to do as well. But I won't be able to afford all of it, so I'm gonna have to end up 3D printing a lot of it as well. And some of the nice files do cost more as well. And I also want to paint some Fallout for that as well. I want to paint some other stuff like anime figurines, more anime figurines, and try to get more and more down the road, more of that. And hopefully I'll have more stuff here, better camera and equipment as well for filming and taking pictures. But so far, you're going in the right direction. I want to thank you guys all for that. Uh, for liking my content. It's one of those things that uh, I thought I almost gonna quit after I started in 2016, so 7 years. I almost quit. This is my 7th year, and I'm almost about to quit too. So looks like the tabletop's turn, and gotta be very aggressive with social media and everything else. But thank you guys for your support, and hope to see you guys soon. Leave down comments if any other type of projects you want me to do. I know diorama is one of the things I want to do. Problem is that everything has a cost. So I'm doing my best. I'm donating plasma for resin and Patreon, and also trying to find other ways of trying to get stuff going at the same time. Well, anyhow, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.